As if I had a clutch on a magnum.
Hey guys, it's Coltville and BMX here, and this is my bike check. Right in the bars, I got the Animal Barns, which are really nice. Had them for a long time. I had a su3 sock grips, really soft, and like I've had them for a long time too. The bars are United stock. The stem is United stock. The headset is United. The forks are stock United. And the tire is the Animal Tom Whitewall. The hub is Demolition Bohemia hub, weighs to Fly Bike's rim with Primo spokes. Alright, the frame is a United su3 frame, really light. I like this bike a lot. Seat is a stock United. This bike is basically like stock. So stock cranks, fly Reuben pedals, mechanic half-link chain, animal butcher peg with sleeve on. The back wheel is Fit FAF. The hub is a stock United, laced to a Cinema 777 rim. I like this bike a lot, and there's only one bad thing about this bike, and which I don't like. Listen to the hub. It's not loud at all, but that's alright because I'm getting a new one soon. So, alright, yeah, and that's all. That's my bike check.
Rock and roll!